And I finally started the painting process. Because sanding took forever. Like, I didn't even bother to sand like these, whatever they are, because they're really hard to sand down. I have to sand them down by hand, and I do not want to do that again. But I started painting it black. Let's see how it turns out. The end result. I even taped it up most of the top. I painted most of it. Started the painting process. See how this goes. It took forever sanding it down. Let's hope I don't get any paint on the top. Hopefully not. Probably spray, put another layer of tape. So I finally finished my desk. I finished painting it black, and now I'm starting to put the drawers into place. And now I can finally use my desk that I've been working so long on.